Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Audi A1 here. Just want to show you how to reset the tyre pressure warning light on this one. If you do find the video useful, please give it a like, and if you want to see some more useful content like this, please subscribe to the channel. So on this one, I want to use this screen in the center of the dashboard, and then from here you're going to press the car icon bottom right. Then you're going to come down and press settings and service. Then go to tyre pressure loss indicator. And it says, when you have checked and corrected the tyre pressures on all 4 tyres, please store the pressures. So first, make sure all your tyres are pumped up to the correct pressures, and then you want to press store tyre pressures. Yes, store now. Storing values, and that's it.